Hello my dear students, good morning. In last video we have discussed about Indian number system. In last two videos I have given a brief description about Indian number system. So today we will do it in some detailed form. Okay, so this is the table as you can see. In last video also I have given this table to you. So this is 1,000, lakh, crore. These all are known as periods. Clear? Before going to write down Indian number system or before going to naming a number, you must know about these things. This is called 1 period, this is 1,000 period, this is lakh period, this is crore period. Okay, so this ones period contain 1, 10 and 100. Clear? This is 1, 10, 100. These all the three are in one period, named as one period. After this 1,000 and 10,000, these are placed in thousands period. Clear? 1,000 and 10,000. After this next period is lakhs period. It contains lakhs and 10 lakhs. Clear? These are numeral values of these all. This is 1, this is 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, this lakh, this is 10 lakh. Next period is crore period. It contains crore and 10 crore. Clear? So first of all, before going to name a number, you must know about these all the names of periods. Clear? Now we are going to write down the name of a numeral value. Naming a number. Okay, for this naming, for example, you have given a value this is a value given to you. Clear? So when a period over, you have to put a comma. For example, first of all you must know about which digit is placed at which period and which you can say block. So this 3 is on ones place, this 5 is on 10 place, this is on 100 place, this one on 1,000 and this 7 on 10,000 place. Clear? So first period consists of 1, 10 and 100. So when the first period is over, you should put a comma. Clear? So you will keep a comma between this 3 and 1. Clear? So before naming this number, keep, or you can say put all the digits according to their period. Clear? So this is a table. Above we will put all the digits according to their period. So this 3 will be on ones place, so keep this 3 on ones place, 3. 5 on 10 place, 5. 1 on 100 place, 3 on 1,000 place, and this 7 on 10,000 place. Clear? Now you should name this. When you give name to a number, then this complete period will named as 1. Clear? मीन्स जब आप इनका नाम बोलेंगे तो ऐसे नहीं बोलेंगे 7, 10,000, 3,000, ऐसा नहीं है. 7 और 3 जो मिलके एक बनता है, इसको आप completely नेम देंगे. ठीक है? मीन्स 7 and 3 they become 73. ये पूरा एक इस 1000 पीरियड के अंडर आता है, इसलिए हम इसका नाम कम्प्लीटली एक ही बोलेंगे एक बार में. ये जो 3 हैं इनका हमें अलग अलग बोलना होता है. क्लियर? ऐसे ही लैक्स वाले का भी आपको एक बार में ही बोलना होगा, करोड़ वाले का भी आपको कंबाइनली नेम उसको बोलना होगा. चलिए, तो इसका नाम क्या हो जाएगा अपने पास? 7 और 3 दोनों 1000 पीरियड के अंडर आते हैं, तो क्या हुआ? 73,000. 73,000. अच्छा, इसके बाद क्या अपने पास 100 के नीचे कितना है? 1. 100. आप चाहे तो यहाँ पे कोमा लगा सकते हैं. 100 के बाद क्या है? 100 तक हम जा चुके, इसके बाद क्या बचा 5 और 3, 5 और 3 क्या हो जाता है 53, तो इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे आगे 53. Like this you have to name. Clear? Okay, let's take one more example. This time we have given a value you have to name this 5192. Clear? Again you have to do the same process. First of all you have to identify which digit is placed on which place. Clear? So this 2 is on 1's place, this 9 on 10's place, this 1 on 100 place, and this 5 on 1000 place. This 1t is representing 10, this th is for 1000. Clear? So before naming it we have to again place all the digit in the table. This 2 under 1's place, 9 under 10's place, and this 100 and 5 on 1000 place, and under this 10,000 nothing, because we have only 4 digits, so our number will be finished up to 4 places. Clear? So again first of all we will name the rightest part, means जो सबसे लेफ्टेस्ट पार्ट जो लेफ्ट में होता है उसका नाम हमें लेना होता है. तो लेफ्ट में अपने पास कौन है 5, मीन्स 1000 प्लेस था, और 1000 में 10,000 प्लेस पे कोई डिजिट नहीं पहुंचा इस बार हमारा. वी हैव ओनली ए प्लेस बिलो 1000. ठीक है, हमारे पास सिर्फ एक डिजिट है 5 जो कि सिर्फ 1000 के नीचे है. 10,000 के नीचे कोई डिजिट नहीं पहुंचा, तो हमारा नंबर कहाँ से शुरू होगा इस बार. हमें 1000 प्लेस का कम्प्लीटली नाम देना है, तो कम्प्लीटली 1000 प्लेस के नीचे क्या है हमारे पास ओनली 5. तो क्या नाम होगा इसका 5000. ओके 5000. इसके बाद 1's प्लेस में पहुंचते हैं हम, मीन्स जो 1 पीरियड है इसके नीचे देखते हैं तो ये 3 है, इनमें क्या है 100 के नीचे कौन है 1. ठीक है, तो 5100 100 हो चुका है. इसके बाद कौन बचा 9 और 2. 9 और 2 क्या हो जाता है 92. 92 like this we will name it. Clear? Okay, one more example. This is a number. Clear? Okay, if you have to name this number, so again same procedure. First of all identify the digits and their places. 5 is on 1's place, 9 on 10 place, 7 on 100 place, this 1 on 1000 place, this 0 on 10,000 place, and this 5 on lakhs place. Clear? So again put all the digits in the table. 5 below 1's place, 9 10's place, 7 100 place, 1 1000 place, this 0 10,000 place, and 5 lakhs place. Clear? Okay, so now start naming from left hand side. Again very simple. This time our digits reach to lakhs period, means lakhs के नीचे तक हमारे डिजिट इस बार पहुंचे हैं, लेकिन अगेन वही 10 lakhs के नीचे तो कुछ भी नहीं है, हमारा डिजिट कहाँ तक पहुंचा है सिर्फ lakhs के नीचे. ठीक है, एंड वी हैव टू नेम दिस 1 पीरियड कंबाइंड. सो व्हाट विल इट बिकम 5 lakh. क्लियर? ओके, इसके बाद फिर लैक्स पीरियड खत्म. अब हम चलते हैं 1000 पीरियड में. 1000 पीरियड अपना यहाँ से यहाँ तक होता है. ठीक है, 1000 पीरियड में 10,000 और 1000 ये दो वैल्यू होती हैं, लेकिन 10,000 के नीचे क्या है अपना 0, सो अगेन इट विल नॉट बेनिफिशियल फॉर अस। हमारे पास सिर्फ बचा 1000 के नीचे 1, मीन्स ये 0 और 1 को हम क्या बोलेंगे कंबाइनली 1 ही बोला जाए, क्योंकि 0 जब भी फ्रंट में होते हैं तो इसकी वैल्यू नहीं होती है। तो ये क्या बचा अपने पास 1000। क्लियर, मीन्स पहले हमने इस पीरियड का नेम किया, इस पीरियड में हमारे पास क्या क्या था, यहां से लेके यहां तक जब हमने इसको चेक किया तो हमारे पास मिला सिर्फ 5, तो हमने इसको बोला 5 लाख। देन वी रीच टू सेकेंड पीरियड, इसमें हमें मिला 01, 01 क्या होता है 1, तो ये बना 1000। इसके बाद हम चलते हैं इसमें थर्ड जो अपना पीरियड है, इसमें हमें क्या मिला 7, और 7 कौन सी प्लेस पे 100 प्लेस पे, सो इट विल बिकम 700। देन 9 and 5 it will become 95. Clear? So in this way we will do this complete naming. Clear? So one more, I think this is sufficient for you. So you will try some more example. I am writing a few here like this. And one more thing, you will keep commas as I have put in the first, like this, ones, tens, 100, one period over, you will keep comma here. In this you will keep ones, tens, 100, one comma here, then 1000, 10,000, then comma here. Okay, this is a perfect notation. Clear? So you will do like this. Okay, one more example you can do. You have to name this. Clear? Very simple again. First of all, identify the digit and their places. Ones, tens, 100, thousands, 10,000 and lakhs. Clear? I will not solve this question. You have to try it. Okay? Because I know you can do it very well. Clear? So you have to do this question, and some more question I will provide in the form of assignment. Clear? So this is our Indian number system which we discussed today.